best part about Iceland is all the beautiful views they have. There's a nice little hike. You see them behind me. None are going off right now. They go up every 10. And there goes another one. Hey, how's it going?
Waiting for it to blow.
Oh, is this where it blows? I thought it was gonna blow.
It's that one.
Oh, I thought there's a big path and it's like further down. I think so.
We were just saying if we were here, we were in front.
Oh, maybe I understood him wrong then. I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, now you remind me.
Here it goes.
Somewhere I'll take a picture so.
It's like teasing. Hopefully it blows soon. It's like it wants to. It's just like, just kidding. Oh my God.
5.
Yeah, that one is cute. I'm hanging out in Iceland with a bunch of these beautiful lupine flowers. They're a wildflower that people plant on volcanic rock because they can pretty much grow anywhere, and their root system helps break down the rock so that then other vegetation can grow in places where plants can't grow, because they actually produce their own fertilizer and nitrogen in their root structure. So they're pretty amazing plants. It's beautiful, like violety purple with white, and they just cover, as you can see, the mountainside. Because they're everywhere now, they're not native to Iceland. They brought them in to help with the soil. And now that they're so popular in Iceland and they're everywhere, they're actually making things like soaps out of them and shampoo out of them and finding other uses for the flower. It's so peaceful here. I could just sit here all day. Such a beautiful day out today. There are a surprising amount of bugs here though. That's the only downside to this beautiful landscape today. You can even see there's snow in the mountains over here in my background.
Alright guys, so my travel tip for today is to learn from my mistakes and to bring a small bottle of bug spray with you on the plane. That way you won't be like swatting around all these pesky insects, and you'll have a much more enjoyable travel and stay in Iceland or whatever other country you're going to. Thanks so much guys for watching Tamera's Travels. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out my other Icelandic videos. Also subscribe, and that way you can follow me on all my journeys. I have one more video for you guys in Iceland, and then I'm going to be going to Ireland. So I'm really excited, and hopefully you enjoy it. Until next time, be brave.